Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to change where your games download on what drive. So let's get started. Open up your Steam, go up here to Steam and select settings. After you have done that, you'll need to scroll all the way down here. I missed it. Oh, right here, storage, and select this. Now all this looks complicated, but it's really simple. Just click up here and instantly you have this option, add a drive. After you have done that, it shows you the drive that has not yet been added to this, and you just add it. And now when you download your games, you can always choose one of your added drives um, to be the host for your game. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.